few days ago, it all started when a Fishy Wonderland member spotted this exact behemoth on vacation. She threw down the ultimate challenge. Can our team actually track down and handle a real monster sunfish? So we accepted the challenge, and today we all are underwater hunting for one. We geared up, prepped our cameras, and dropped straight into the blue. The ocean was alive today. A group of stingrays welcomed us, and a giant moray eel said hello. But we don't have the time for that now. Every corner felt like a jackpot, but none of them were our target. Suddenly, one of our mates, Yelena, signaled us not to move. We were scared. Then, out of the shadows, it was a hammerhead shark. Then, out of the nowhere, there it was, a real-life Mola. Up close, these things look completely prehistoric. This is an ocean sunfish, a literal deep-sea monster that can weigh up to 2 tons. That's when we decided to go after the ultimate prize, the monster Mola. The air was tense. But just as we got close, a massive school of strange deep-sea fish blindsided us, throwing the entire chase into chaos. Even with the distraction, the team refused to blink. We stayed patient, waiting for the perfect moment. But out here, seconds feel like hours. We gunned it, trying desperately to close the gap, but it was simply too fast. With one swift movement, our target slipped into the deep ocean. Mission absolute failure. But at Fishy Wonderland, we don't give up. If we can't catch one in the wild, we buy one. We tracked down a massive sunfish at a legendary seafood market. Next up, we hand this giant over to an expert chef to see what a 200-pound fish actually looks like on the inside. So let's go for the ultimate culinary breakdown. How do you even begin to cut a fish that's 90% water? Watch this. One wrong move and the meat completely dissolves, but our chef is targeting the real gold. Internal organs. In high-end markets, this is the most expensive part. The skin is like sandpaper armor. Beneath it, pure gelatinous flesh that looks more like coconut jelly than seafood. If you throw this straight into a boiling pan, it vanishes into soup. To prevent that, the chef uses a crucial texture lock trick. High heat, fast aromatics, flash fry it for exactly 45 seconds or lose it all. From a failure at sea to a culinary masterpiece on the plate. It tastes exactly like lobster. Catching it was impossible, but eating it, absolutely unforgettable. Finally, we need to say something. If you truly enjoyed our deep blue ocean adventure, comment what would you like to see next? And of course, hit like and subs.